Today, I want to tell you about a cream less known and used, and especially in home bakery, but a cream that all great pastry chefs know and use. Hi, I'm Robert, and today we are talking about namelaka cream, um, a very versatile cream. It has a similar texture to ganache, but you'll see, it's very glossy, and it also uses gelatin in it, and it is perfect to be used as an insert in entremet cakes, decoration for tarts. You can fill eclair or choux with it. It is very versatile, and it is versatile when it comes to flavors as well. For example, today we are going to make an namelaka with pistachio, but you can just as easily make it with hazelnut, or if instead of some of the milk you use coffee, it will become namelaka with coffee. In the description of the video, I'll leave a link to the written recipe, and there you'll have the quantities for dark chocolate one and the white chocolate one, and for what we are making today, namelaka with pistachio. Let's get to work, and we'll start with 370 grams of white chocolate, on top of which we'll put 80 grams of pistachio paste, and again, if you have hazelnut, put hazelnut paste. To me, 80 grams seems like enough for a fairly strong taste of pistachio. In a kettle, I have 200 grams of very hot milk just off the heat, and over it I will put 5 grams of gelatin that I have hydrated in 25 grams of cold water. I use gelatin granules. If you use gelatin sheets, use the same 5 grams of gelatin. And I'm going to stir well until the gelatin is dissolved. And then I'm going to start pouring the milk over the chocolate and stirring well until the chocolate is dissolved. If the milk wasn't hot enough, or maybe the chocolate is a bit cold and not all the chocolate has melted, you can put the pot on a steam bath for a bit to help the chocolate melt. The important thing here is that this mixture goes over 35 degrees, so all the cocoa butter melts and it forms a good emulsion. Okay, now I will use a vertical blender to really homogenize this mixture. The vertical mixer is not mandatory, but if you have it and you use it, you'll see that you will get a much smoother cream and a much better emulsion. The last ingredient we add is cream. I have here 400 grams of cold cream from the fridge, and I'm going to start pouring the cream slowly while I'm mixing with the mixer. My cream is ready. All that remains now is to put it in a bowl. I will cover it with food wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 12 hours to harden and crystallize the chocolate, after which it is ready to use. You can use it as it is, you can put it in a pastry bag and use it as decoration, or as I said, in eclairs and so on, or if you want, you can froth it gently until you get the consistency you want and use it that way. That was the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!